हेलो।
हेलो।
Mansa, let's have some chai. I'm really frustrated today. Yeah, come on. This is done. This is done. This is also done. Mansa, it's been 5 interviews and 2 more to go. But don't you think still we have not captured anything real about what independence really feels like to a common man?
Yeah, Shrita, maybe we have been covering only about the celebrations, not about the sacrifices.
Yeah, maybe you're right. Hey, isn't it Priya?
Priya, the field reporter, what is she doing here?
Hey Priya, how come you are here?
Stories, Sushmita, real ones, the kind that don't get runtime. I'm actually working on a documentary, The Forgotten Friend, about soldiers who died post-independence in borders commissions, Naxal operations, even natural calamities, but never made to any official martyrs list.
Oh, Priya, you mean that families who have never got pensions, medals, and not even a mention?
Exactly. I met a mother last week. Her son died in a border patrol in 1999. There was no letter, no flag, no record. Just silence. She still keeps his boots by the door and tells he might walk in someday. He might walk in someday.
So strange. Here we are just covering the celebrations, school parades, and flag hoisting. And here you are, uncovering the soul of independence.
That's what freedom is, right? Not just celebration, remembrance, justice. Someone has to remember the ones the system forgot, right?
You are right. Again I kept putting a silent mode. Just a minute, I have to make a call. Hello. Oh yeah, I missed your call. Yeah. What? The great mass leader? Oh, the great mass leader thinking Madhav Prasad is available for the interview? Thank God, thank God. Yeah, sure, sure. Yes, we'll be there in 10 minutes. Thank you so much. Mansa, we have an interview covered now.
Oh, thank God.
Priya, we have to go. We have an urgent meeting now.
Sure. Take care.
Thank you, bye. Let's go, let's go.
Hey, wait. Who's that mass leader, Shrita? You mean that Balaya who's having an extra angel?
Yeah, the same Balaya who plays a double role. Action hero by night and a politician by day.
Oh, let's not keep this superstar waiting. We came out with that, ladies and gentlemen.
कैसा लग रहा हूँ मैं? राजकुमार जैसा या सत्तुभाई जैसा?
सर आपका एंट्री तो सल्लोभाई जैसा था सर, बस थोड़ा सा कुर्ता टाइट हो गया था सर।
क्या आज का क्या प्रोग्राम है विवेक?
सर आज पहला इवेंट है पब्लिक टॉयलेट उद्घाटन बस स्टैंड के पास, फिर गौशाला के बगल में रिबन कटिंग करना है और फिर एक नया कॉम्पोजिट बिन ओपन करना है सर।
बेवकूफ, आज स्वतंत्रता दिवस है, टॉयलेट दिवस नहीं।
अरे सर गलती हो गया, ये तो कल का शेड्यूल था।
तू मेरा पीए है या बीबीएमपी का सफाई कर्मचारी? नींद बनवाएगा क्या मेरा?
सर फाउंडेड टुडेस एक्चुअल शेड्यूल है फ्लैग होइस्टिंग फर्स्ट, उसके बाद इंटरव्यू है 5 उन लोगों के साथ, उसके बाद 10 सेल्फी लेना है स्कूल के बच्चों के साथ और एक इमोशनल ट्वीट करना है सर।
गुड वन विवेक, इसमें एक लाइन ऐड करो, जय भारत प्राउड इंडियन। और हाँ, यहाँ जितने लोग बैठे हैं एमएलए एमपी सतुभाई सबको टैग करो। और हाँ, फिल्टर वाली माइक्रोचिप की लड़कियों को ऐड करना मत भूलना, लाइक ज्यादा आएगा।
सर वो तो मैं ऑलरेडी कर दिया हूँ, उसके साथ साथ एक एडिशनल हैशटैग भी डाला हूँ सर, हैशटैग मालू फॉर इंडिया।
विवेक, कभी कभी तू बहुत काम का हो जाता है।
Good afternoon, everyone. Here we are with the great mass leader, D.K. Malaprasad. Let's go and talk to him and let's see what he has to say about independence and freedom. Hello, sir. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, how are you?
I'm doing good. How are you, sir?
I'm fine.
Yeah, I can see that. Sir, we have an important question for you today on behalf of all the people present here. What does Independence Day mean to you?
Independence Day is very close to my heart, you know, where it's a freedom of speech and I can talk non-stop. The people sitting around, they can ask, they are forced to listen to me. That is the real independence to me.
Yes, sir. I understood. I got it. But what about the real struggle, sir? Farmers, soldiers, and the common man?
Farmers, I love them. Last election I missed it. I got a chance to sit on tractor, hanging back and have AC, but it's turned on the bone crusher. My back is still not able to recover, you know.
And that day, even the tractor shook in fear.
Chupra, Vivek. Chupra.
Sir, any message for today?
Yes. This morning, I posted one message on Facebook, you know, holding the flag in my hand. Then son back behind me and teary eyed with 3 emojis: heart, tricolor, and crying face. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Well. That's our D.K. Malaprasad who is always ready for the celebration. But now, let's go and talk to someone who is not just celebrates the freedom but lives it. Mansa, where are we going now?
Let's go to the fields where the farmer's voice being louder than any speech.
Let's go.
Oh Bharat Mata, I am just a humble son of your sacred soil. This land gave me life, strength, and identity. Today is your Independence Day, a day of pride, a day of sacrifice. 78 years have passed, but my devotion still hasn't faded. Let me speak today, not just for myself, but for every forgotten hand to shape this freedom.
Hello, sir. We are from a news channel featuring Independence Day. Can we talk to you for a while?
Yeah, sure. Please have a seat under this tree. It is so hot today, but the shade is kind.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. Today is August 15th, India's Independence Day. What does this day mean to you?
For me, Indian independence is not just about flash of speeches. It's about the freedom to live with dignity, to speak of my own land, speak my mind, and dream for my children. Something my ancestors couldn't do under the British rule.
Let us go back in time to a land where freedom was just a dream, where farmers toiled under the burning sun, but their harvest fed the empire, not their homes. On one such dry afternoon, a humble farmer stood helpless. A cruel zamindar escaped, a British officer demanding more grain. His children cried from hunger, his wife figured in silence. But the crown God's order louder than compassion. That day, they took everything, the sack of grain, his hope, his pride, but they couldn't take his faith. As he fell to his knees, touching the soil of his motherland, he whispered, not with fear, but with fire, one day, this land will be free. My grandson will walk on it without fear. That prayer became a promise, and that promise became our dream.
That prayer became true. That's why this day matters. Every Independence Day, I remember him. Millions like him who fought for our independence.
Oh, that's a powerful story. You really feel independent today?
True, we have our struggles, debts, droughts, and everything. But today, I can go, I can dream. My grandfather, he couldn't even lift his head.
What message would you like to give to the youths?
Remember, freedom was earned, not gifted. Celebrate with action, not with decoration. Respect every Indian who built this country. The farmer, the teacher, everybody, and the engineers.
Thank you, sir. Today, you really showed us what independence really means.
Jai Hind!
Jai Hind! Independence is not just a memory, it is a responsibility. So let us protect it, let us respect it, and let us build a better tomorrow together.
Together. Okay, we really hope you like this game. First of all, I'd like to introduce you to the team. Journalist, first of all, Manasa. Please give a round of applause. Smriti as a journalist. Priya as a field reporter. And the famous politician, you guessed it right, Amar. Vivek playing as a secretary. Venkatesh as a political supporter, Subian as a supporter, Kailash also a supporter. Please. So this skit was not possible without the director and editor and everybody. So Pradeep as the director, ladies and gentlemen, please give a round of applause. So all the visuals you saw, all the visuals, all the sounds, visuals, sound effects, voiceovers, everything, editing was taken care by Surya. Please give a round of applause. And thanks for translating the role of Rama. Thank you.